Hello and welcome to 8th grade U.S. history. My name is Mr. Cooper. And if you're watching this, you are the parents of a son or daughter who both got recommended and accepted into 8th grade advanced history. And so this um, time right here is just time for me to hopefully talk you through what it's going to look like, or at least what it has looked like in the past. As I said before, my name is Mr. Cooper. I've taught here at Sheridan Junior High School for 14 years. Or this will be my 14th year. As you can see in the picture, I have a load of kids and a beautiful family. It's my lovely wife, Ashley. I have three daughters, Aubrey, Olivia, and Cameron, going into 11th, 9th, and 5th grade. And my son, Corbin, will be a third grader at Sagebrush Elementary. On the far side there is my dog, Clara. She is a golden doodle, and she will love you if you pet her. The other thing that is kind of an about me is that I coach both here and at the high school. And so a lot of my time after school, it can be tricky to meet with students for a good part of the year. Meeting with kids for me is usually going to happen before school or at lunch. After school, of course, if I can, but there's a lot of practice times that kind of mess with that a little bit. So just to kind of give everyone a heads up there. In 8th grade American history, we pick up with the creation of the Constitution, and we try to carry it all the way up through the year 1900. So we're pretty squarely in the 19th century for most of the history that we cover, and it's a great period of history to cover. We love it. We don't go very far in terms of time period in American history, but we'd like to think that we're able to get quite a bit of depth, and students are put in positions where they can do quite a bit of thinking about the material and about the time periods that have helped to make America what it is today. Grading and homework. The grading scale, just like always at Sheridan Junior High School, is the 4-3-2-1 scale. Standards-based grading. Homework for advanced history might be a little bit more than it had been in the past. There might be a little bit more reading. We try to cover more material quickly so that we can spend some time discussing, spend some time really, immersing our time or ourselves in a time period. There's going to be some basic knowledge that's required for students to be able to do thinking. And so there might be a little bit more homework in this advanced course than there are in normal history classes, but I've never had an issue with students that weren't really willing to be part of this class and dive in and do the work. So if you have any concerns about that, you can feel free to email or call me. As far as kind of some key beliefs that we have here and that I have here at Sheridan Junior High School. One of them is, it looks really simple, but it says that learning is the result of thinking. And so, like I said earlier, we have 100, little over 100 years of American history to cover, and we have all year to do it. And so with that, we're not just trying to get kind of surface level knowledge. We're trying to dive in and do all the things on this list as much as we possibly can. At the end of the day, what we want from our students at Sheridan Junior High School is that that they would be great citizens. I think that's part of our responsibility here at Sheridan Junior High School within the History and Social Studies department. We want students that are capable, that are curious, that they try to get to the root of problems, and that they're problem solvers. And not only that they can do it, but that they do want to become difference makers in their world. And so we feel like the kinds of thinking that we're going to push them toward this year will guide them in that endeavor. So if you guys have any questions or need anything, my name is Tim Cooper, and my email is tim.cooper@scsd2.com. And you can email me anytime. In addition, if you have any other questions that are COVID related, please visit the district website at scSD2.com. Thanks.